During the global COVID-19 outbreak, we are redirecting more resources to provide communication services and tools. And because viruses can live on all communication tools and devices like phones, tablets, and laptops, it's important to know how to clean them properly. A few simple steps can keep your devices clean and keep you healthy. First, power down and unplug your device. Spray a non-abrasive or alcohol-based 70% isopropyl disinfectant directly on a soft, lint-free cloth and wipe down your device. In addition, consider sharing things like photos through text messages instead of passing your phone to others. And because other surfaces may be contaminated with the virus, avoid putting your devices on public surfaces and use Bluetooth or hands-free headsets to minimize exposure to your face. Not only do we want your devices to be clean and safe, but one of our top priorities is keeping your community safe. AT&T supports our nation's first responders through our partnership with the First Responder Network Authority, enabling access to a dedicated nationwide communications platform they can rely on in your time of need. For the very latest on how AT&T is responding, head to att.com/COVID. Together, we will stay healthy and connected. To learn more about AT&T and our response to the coronavirus, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos on the playlist seen here.